Hi, I'm Kevin Malloy, Town Councilman, Town of Smithtown. You're watching Smithtown Report. Enjoy the program.
The Charles P. Toner Park in Wisconsin now offers dogs and their owners the opportunity to stretch their legs on the newly opened Dog Walk Trail and Park. Dogs were originally not allowed in the park, but now residents can legally bring their pets to the park. For town officials, it provides a solution to an ongoing problem where local dog owners were walking their pets on the athletic fields. Town of Smithtown rules require that all dogs on the trail be kept on a leash no longer than 6 feet and be fully vaccinated and licensed with the town. The dog walk is free and open to all residents. The park is located at 148 Smithtown Boulevard in Wisconsin. The dog walk trail starts near the bathrooms building and runs parallel to the asphalt walking trails. There are several dog litter stations on the trail which offer plastic bags and trash receptacles to clean up after your dog. At the end of the trail, there is a newly opened dog park. The dog park features a fenced-in area where dogs can roam without a leash. There are areas for small dogs and large dogs. There are several park benches where dog owners can sit down and relax while their dog plays. The dog park also offers water stations where thirsty canines can get a drink. It also has several dog litter stations. The town of Smithtown invites all resident dog owners to come out and enjoy the park with their pets. We ask that you obey all the rules, clean up after your pet, and enjoy the park safely. For Smithtown Report, this is Kenny Bernardini.